let me show you how you can sell AI services to local businesses in the easiest way possible, and that is by using the AI you're selling to other people to sell itself, right? Or to sell yourself as an agency. So this is called like a self-running sales engine. This is what I like to call it. And essentially you're using AI to sell your own service, which is again an AI service. Okay, you're going to sign up to go high level anyway. Why not do it with my own link? You get extra 30-day free trial along with my private community access, free snapshots, and a full system for selling AI to local businesses. You will sign up to go high level either way. Why not sign up through someone that can actually teach you? And the best part, it costs you nothing extra. The link is down below. And at the end of the day, you're not selling the AI service itself, you're selling the outcome, okay? So in this case, here's the old way, right? The old way was, cold emailing a bunch of people, manual follow-ups, and although that is still good, right? Don't get me wrong, that is still good. Now, what you want to do is you want to send traffic to your AI system. I will explain it in a second, okay? So traffic hits you or hits your AI voice receptionist. So let's say you're selling AI services, whatever services you're selling, it could be AI voice agents, it could be AI chatbots, maybe AI smart websites, websites with chatbots. You can essentially use the AI voice receptionist to sell for you, okay? So the AI will qualify and close the lead. And when I say close the lead, they will qualify the lead, or AI will qualify the lead, and then it will get that lead onto your sales call. And on the sales call, you will need to close them, obviously. So obviously I will explain in a moment how everything works, but you have backend automations that handle everything else with the AI receptionist, and the system runs while you sleep, okay? So it's literally inception, right? You're using AI to sell the AI, which is kind of inception in a way, because you're leveraging AI to basically sell AI. So in this case, what you're actually selling. So in this case, let's say I'm selling a website with a built-in smart chatbot, right? This is called smart AI website. So what I can do is I can have an AI receptionist that I prompted, and again, I can build one in Go High Level just like that, like in 5 to 10 minutes. Especially with SKI right now and everything. If you never try Go High Level, go in and try that. But, your AI receptionist closes them to the call. So not on the call. On this presentation, it says on the call, not on the call, but to the call, okay? So you are sending the traffic to your AI receptionist, and that AI receptionist leads the lead to the call. So smart website is then the upsell. So on the call, you can either go and try to sell a smart AI website, or you can sell an AI chatbot or AI receptionist, whatever you're selling, right? So they don't just buy it, they actually go through the process, and then they don't really have that many objections. So in this case, this is the as I said, all roads lead to the AI. So essentially, cold email, YouTube videos, any type of outreach you're doing, send that to an AI voice receptionist, okay? Just try it out. Listen to me, just try it out once. You will not regret it. But it's very important that you are sending the traffic to the AI voice receptionist that is prompted in the best possible way, okay? Because at the end of the day, you want a really good prompt for AI receptionist so it doesn't break. So in this case, this is how it looks like. You have a landing page with your hook and offer. Maybe you have a VSL as well. I would recommend having a VSL on that landing page. Then you have a calendar page where they can pick a time, but you can also go and you can also integrate AI receptionist on that landing page, okay? When they come, they can either book the on the calendar, or they can test the AI receptionist, and then, once they test the AI receptionist, they will talk with an AI receptionist, and AI receptionist will book them on that same calendar. So what you're doing is you're sending traffic to your landing page like you're always doing, right? Like you always done with cold calls, with not cold calls, but cold emails, with YouTube videos, with, you know, any type of outreach like that, because obviously, you know, cold call is going straight to the sales call. And you, on the landing page, you have the hook, the offer, the VSL, you have the calendar so they can book, but you also have a way for them to test your AI receptionist. This works extremely well if you're doing YouTube videos and sending traffic to AI receptionist, or if you're doing Facebook groups, and then in that groups you talk about AI receptionist, and you just go and you know, say, people, call this AI receptionist, and then they go and they call the AI receptionist, but they actually, you know, go into the sales cycle, and then the AI receptionist closes them on its own. And I will show you live how this AI receptionist works. So in this case, the system doesn't stop when they don't book. And this is where most agency owners lose money, right? So if there is no show on the call, so let's say AI receptionist books the call, the sales call, and they don't show up, they have a no-show nurture sequence, and we pretty much have automated follow-up until they rebook the call. Then if there is no response to the AI, so let's say, you know, let's say they don't book a call on that, you know, on that talk with an AI receptionist, then we have a long-term nurture, 12 months. So they hear from you or from me for a full year. And again, most deals close here during the year. And then AI got the number but didn't book. Then we have a nurture workflow. So still in the system, still being follow up, and nothing is pretty much wasted. Okay, so this is the backend of the AI voice receptionist, right? The backend is what actually sells, not the voice receptionist in itself, because the clients will then go through the journey, and this is the exact journey that their clients will go through as well. So this is why local business owners say yes to these kind of things, right? They experience the AI before buying it, so they have zero skepticism about it. They didn't feel sold to, so the AI just had a conversation with them. And then by the time they're on a call with you, they're already half convinced. And on the call, you can obviously go and have all the sales skills, you know, you want, but at the end of the day, you know, they lived through the AI receptionist. They actually talk to it, okay? So again, in the smart website upsell makes sense. They just saw the proof, and you can pretty much sell them the AI receptionist and the smart website with the chatbot, which is really, really cool. So this is the AI system that sells itself, right? So you have a cold email, YouTube, any type of traffic that goes straight to your AI voice receptionist. And then, you know, after they book the call, you have a landing page, the calendar confirmation and reminder, and then all the automations behind. So every lead has a path and nothing falls through the cracks, okay? So this is pretty much the system. I will now show you a live demo of this particular AI voice agent, just so you can kind of get the feel of this particular AI voice agent. So as you can see, I've built an AI receptionist in Go HighLevel. So I just go to that AI receptionist here. And by the way, if you join our private community, you will have the AI receptionist prompt and everything right here in the agent goals. But let's go and let's do the web call here, just so I can show you how this works.
Hey, this is Marcus from a Point Setter System. Can you tell me what type of business you have?
Hey, Marcus, I have an HVAC business.
Got it, an HVAC business. That's a perfect fit for what we do. We help businesses like yours never miss a call by installing an AI receptionist that answers calls and books appointments for you 24/7, just like I'm doing now. Quick question. Are you currently handling most of your calls yourself, or do you have a team for that?
Actually, why would I even trust you?
Totally fair question. Trust is huge, especially when it comes to your business. Most of the businesses we work with were skeptical at first too, but they quickly saw the value when they realized how many calls they were missing, especially during busy hours or after hours. This system doesn't just answer calls, it books appointments, handles inquiries, and ensures no potential customer slips through the cracks. Plus, it's just a quick 10-minute call with our team to show you exactly how it works. No pressure, just a chance to see if it's a good fit for you. What do you think? Should we book a time to chat?
Well, actually, I'm not sure how can you actually, you know, help me and my business. We already have a person, you know, doing all the calls for us.
Uh-huh. That's great that you already have someone handling calls. What we do isn't about replacing your team, it's about supporting them. This system can take the pressure off during busy times, after hours, or even when your staff is tied up with other tasks. For example, if your receptionist is on another call or out sick, the AI receptionist steps in to make sure no customer gets missed. It's like having a backup that works 24/7 without breaks. It's just a quick 10-minute call to show you how it could complement what you're already doing. Would you like to see how it works?
Okay, but I don't want to buy anything from you. I first want to
Uh-huh.
see how this works for my business, you know?
Absolutely, I hear you. This isn't about buying anything right now, it's just about seeing how it works and if it's a good fit for your business. That's why we keep it to a quick 10-minute call to walk you through everything, no strings attached. How about we book a time for that? I can check what's available for you.
Okay, what is the available time you have for tomorrow?
Here are the available times for tomorrow, May 8th, 9 a.m., 12 p.m., 3 p.m. Do any of these work for you?
So as you can see, and then, they book the call. So this is exactly the conversation that any, local business owner would have. And then when they book a call, that's pretty much it. We go on a call and we try to close them, right? Whether that's me on my setter closer, but that's pretty much the system. And you can add this on your landing page, anywhere you're sending traffic to. Okay, so if you have any questions and if you want to see this entire system and pretty much this whole backend, we will give away this in our private community. So if you sign up with our 30-day free trial link, with my link, you will get that inside of our community. So yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out below, and we'll see you in the next week.